This is flying, performing stunts in the air, sometimes 15 feet or more off the ground. Done well, it can win trophies. Done wrong, it can be devastating.
And then she went up 15 feet in the air and came down on her head. She had a fractured skull, she had bleeding on the brain, and after that she had a lot of memory problems.
Chelsea has permanent brain damage. She's had to relearn everything. In the past decade, cheerleading has gone from sideline distraction to extreme sport. In the last 25 years, cheerleading accounted for more than half of the 112 catastrophic injuries to female high school and college athletes, including 3 deaths. That doesn't count girls like Lauren Chang. She was cheering for an out-of-school squad last spring when she was kicked in the chest and died. High schoolers talked about broken bones like they were badges of honor.
Ever told to try a stunt and you think, I don't know, that might be pushing it too far?
Yeah. Sure, this might break my neck, but let's go.
I wanted to win. Bottom line, and that's how everybody is. It's pressure city. Everybody is there to win.
I don't understand why you're not jumping! What is the problem? Set back up! I'd rather take you fall and touch down with effort than have no effort. You're the cause right now.
Athletes are injured more often and more seriously by participating in cheerleading than any other athletic activity. About 25,000 cheerleaders end up in the emergency room each year.
Cheerleading is a very dangerous sport. Most of us have braces, get taped every game because we always get injured.
Cheerleading safety advocates hope that terming it a sport will increase regulations and decrease injuries.
There are some that just do the cheers and they're, have the pom-poms and it's more of a show. And then there's definitely the higher level collegiate gymnasts and competition gymnasts that do the high level stunts and choreography that I definitely would consider a sport.
Has evolved into a sport that involves gymnastic like tumbling, complex acrobatic stunts such as pyramid building, as well as its year-round training, and they go to their own competitions. So all of that has added up to increased number and severity of injuries.
To record the impact, here on the Sports Science AstroTurf playing surface, our team has attached force sensors to the dummy's neck, back, and legs. And we've hung her upside down, a likely position for a cheerleader to return to Earth from a high-flying maneuver.
I think just setting it up this way is more realistic. The odds are the girl's gonna come down that way if she messes up.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Kasim Osgood nailed our crash test dummy with 1,800 pounds of force. How does that compare to this cheerleading accident?
That impact force would have been about 21 miles per hour, or over 2,000 pounds of force if they'd hit the ground.
Amazingly, our cheerleader falling to the ground generated 200 pounds of force more than our teeth-rattling football tackle. With an acceleration back to Earth that generates 2,000 pounds of force, a cheerleader will land so hard that she can crack vertebrae in her back and neck. If a tiny fragment of bone moves only 5 millimeters, her spinal cord could be damaged and the cheerleader could be paralyzed for life.